Hello students, welcome to the My Dream, India's first ever e-learning education platform, where each and every topic is taught with what, why and how concept. So today we are going to begin with a very important topic, that is mole concept. And after going into this concept called mole concept, we will study about the concept of molar mass as well. Okay, under the chapter, these are the topics under which comes under the chapter atoms and molecules. Okay, so let's begin with the first mole concept. Now, what exactly the mole concept here refers to? This is basically defined in a very simple language, a unit of microscopic particles. So basically, mole concept is what? It is basically a unit. Unit of what? Of microscopic particles. Microscopic particles means when we are talking about atoms, ions, molecules, okay? At that level. Why are we studying it? Because in chemistry, ultimately, we are going to deal with atoms, ions, molecules, the various we are going to discuss these particles. So in chemistry, we are going to deal with these particles, that is atoms, ions and molecules, which are also called as at microscopic level. So that's why we are studying this concept of what? Mole concept. Clear? Concept is clear now, that what exactly here mole concept refers to. Why are we studying this concept? Fine. Now moving to how. How here basically I have written 1 mole. So what exactly here 1 mole refers to? 1 mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This is what 1 mole is basically, if you want to show it that what exactly 1 mole is. So 1 mole is equals to this 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. You can also write it as equals to Na particles. This Na refers to Avogadro's constant. Okay. Fine. So this is what 1 mole is basically. So 1 mole you can write either in this form, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, or you can write Na particles, where Na is Avogadro's constant and this Na is actually equal to this value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? Fine. And now what particles here refers to? Now particles, where particles refers to atoms, ions or molecules. Clear? Now, so this is what mole concept is. What exactly the mole concept we have discussed, why are we studying it, okay? And how exactly you can write 1 mole in this way you can write it. Both the methods you can write. And this Na refers to Avogadro's constant, which is equal to the value, that value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Clear? Okay. Now let's look at the example. One example, the example which I have given over here, one example, that is 1 mole of carbon element. So 1 mole of carbon element means which is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. Okay. So here you can see that I have written this value, that is Na, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. Here particles are basically atoms we are talking about. Clear? Try to relate the concept of 1 mole, this one, with the example which I have mentioned over here. Fine. So this is the value, I have written the value. Okay. Particles here refers to, in this case, here it is atoms. Okay. Carbon atoms. Fine. Now moving to the next concept, we have discussed this concept of what mole concept is. Now moving to molar mass. Molar mass is basically mass of 1 mole of substance in grams. This is what molar mass is. So this is, in a simple way, we can define that mass of 1 mole of substance in grams is called molar mass. Okay. Therefore, so let's take this example again. 1 mole of carbon element equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 carbon atoms. I mentioned earlier this thing, which is also equal to 12 gram. Okay. So 12 gram, basically, this 12 gram is what? Basically, it is the 12 gram per mole. So molar mass, whenever you write the molar mass, its unit is gram per mole. Okay. So that's why it's basically 12 gram, but when they will ask you molar mass of it, so you have to write 12 gram per mole. Okay. So here you can see that I have written in terms of gram atomic mass. Okay. So simply you can see that this is what the 12 gram is written, because this is what we are talking about, carbon element. So carbon element means these many atoms are there. So these many atoms means you have to talk molar mass in terms of gram atomic mass. Okay. because we are talking of carbon element and we know these many carbon atoms are there, and so if we are talking about the molar mass of this particular example, then you have to write in terms of gram atomic mass, which is equals to 12 gram per mole, because molar mass is written in grams per mole. Clear? Concept is clear now? I hope it is clear to all. Okay, now moving to the next example, look at another example. 1 mole of O2 molecule. See the difference. Earlier it was element, now it's molecule. Okay, so molecule means so it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules are there. Here particles, now it is particles, here now refers to molecules. Now which is equals to 32 gram. Okay, or we can say basically molar mass will be 32 gram per mole. So now you can see here the molar mass is gram molecular mass, because we are talking the concept of molecule over here. That's why it's gram molecular mass. Okay, are you getting it? The concept is clear or not? Okay, now moving to the next important concept over here. In mole concept, this particular formula which I have written over here, this will actually help you a lot in solving the numericals. Okay, so this you can see number of moles is equals to given mass upon molar mass equals to N upon Na, which is equals to V upon 22.4. Here small n, this one refers to number of moles, small m refers to given mass, capital M refers to molar mass, okay? Capital N refers to number of particles, and this Na refers to Avogadro's constant we have studied earlier, and V here refers to volume, okay? So this is the formula which you have to keep in mind, because this is actually going to help you a lot while solving the numerical under this particular topic called mole concept. So just remember this in your mind, okay? This is really going to help you a lot while you will solve the numericals, okay? So this is what small n is number of moles, small m given mass, capital M is molar mass. This capital N is number of particles. Number of particles we will discuss depending upon the question which has been asked. Na, that is Avogadro's constant, we know. What is the value of Avogadro's constant? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And V, capital V refers to volume. Clear? I hope you all have understood the concepts which we have discussed today. The concept of mole concept and molar mass, which is very, very important. Okay? Molar mass also we discussed by taking the example of element, and then by taking the example of the molecule, how we are going to express it. Basically how the molar mass is written, that is in terms of gram per mole. Clear? Concept is clear now? Okay. So thank you very much. Take care.